Hi everyone, I'm back today to do a collective haul as well as a vlog sale. I'm selling a couple items in my collection, so if you guys are interested, please stay tuned and I'll leave my email in the bottom link down below. So okay, for the most exciting thing, I did get the new iPhone 12 Pro, which is this right here. It's so cute. Okay, let's do a little ASMR. How satisfying was that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take a Instagram video real quick. I am back. Look how thin this freaking phone is. So I did get the iPhone 12 Pro in the 256 gigabyte. I have T-Mobile as my phone carrier, and currently they're not having anything higher than a 126 in stock, so I did have to pre-order this. And if you guys are interested in upgrading, I recommend you doing it because they have really good promotion going on. I'm trading in my 10s and I'm getting like $750 in trade-in value total, not like as upfront, but they'll explain it to you if you guys decide to do trade-in. But look at it. Okay, ready? Look. Okay, so it comes with the charging cable and a little sticker right here and the pin to put in your SIM card. I got the silver. Oh my goodness, how exciting. So I never actually ordered silver, but since I put a case on my phones anyway, I didn't think it mattered. Okay, ready? So I'm backing up my iPhone right now. While it's doing that, I wanted to show you guys the phone case that I got and screen protector thing. So this case is from this brand. It's really expensive for a phone case. What do you guys think? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, as far as size, this is the 10s and this is the 12 Pro. So as you can see, the 12 Pro is bigger. Take the case off. And see, you couldn't even tell that I had this in gold. I do love the gold though. Let me take this off again. Oh, this case is pretty hardy. This is the 10s 12 Pro. Curved design. This is the smooth edge. The 12 Pro is thicker, as you can tell, as you can see, I should say, and it's bigger. But yeah, I'm not a phone expert. I know there's plenty of channels here that are specifically for tech, so I'm sorry my video isn't that helpful, but I just wanted to show you guys my new phone. And the backup is done. There we go. Let me see. I really love it. What do you guys think of this case? It's super cute. It still adds that gold touch that I love, which I'm a gold person. This next item is for my future giveaway on my channel for when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So it's from Louis Vuitton, and this was purchased pre-loved. It did not come with a dust bag, but I can put it in this dust bag. I have dust bags that I could use. So it is a bandeau. I think this is, oops, I'm pretty sure this is discontinued, but still it's so pretty. Yeah, this is from 2018. It's 100% silk, so it's the monogram bandeau, and it's the same pattern on both sides. But it's so cute. You could totally wear it on, say, on the handles. You can put it on your handles to dress it up, or you can put it in your hair. I've never really done this myself personally, but I've seen plenty of people do it. Okay, I guess I cannot do it. So I've seen people like put it in their hair like that. I'm sure you guys can make it look cuter than what I'm doing. You can wrap it around your neck type of thing. That's cute. I don't like things around my neck because I feel like my neck is short to begin with. But yes, this is really cute. My next one, I've already opened this thing, and it is from Dior. I think you guys can kind of guess what this item is. Comes in the Dior box, the tissue, and it came with the tags, but unfortunately no dust bag. But it is so cute. These really pretty pearl chain earrings. Can you guys see that? Let me put it on so you guys can see. So that's how it looks. They're so cute. It's really edgy. I think this would look really cute with, like, if you have a second hole, you can put a hoop earring and then this on your second to just add a little pop. So pretty. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. It's pretty much everything like luxury I've bought recently. I purchased a few clothing pieces here and there, but I don't know if you guys are interested to see that. Maybe I'll do like a styling, like lookbook video. Okay. Moving on to the bags that I am gonna sell. So first one is the one you've already seen, which is, I know, I literally searched months to find this bag, but you never really know how much you use a bag until you actually have it in your possession, which in this case, I don't use it. It was supposed to be my diaper bag and I don't even reach for it. Because of the pandemic, we never really leave the house. I can do work from home, and then when I do need to leave the house, I don't bring my daughter with me because who bring, you know, it's not bring your kid to work day all the time. So yes, unfortunately I am selling this. It's so beautiful though. I love looking at it. This is the Louis Vuitton Montaigne. The lighting is kind of washing it out. What is going on here? There we go. The embossing is still very, very deep. It's so beautiful. Like I said, it's in the MM size, and this is in the rose ballerine color. It's been discontinued now, this color. And it's, I don't know why they did that. It's the most beautiful pink that they have. especially in the empreinte. But I do want to mention that there is some wear. There's this pen mark. So there's this pen mark right here that I do want to mention. There is this other wear on the glazing, but other than that, it's in impeccable condition. Like I said, embossing is still really deep. Comes with a shoulder strap, this lock closure thing. It comes with the actual lock, which is right here, and it comes with the clochette. Where did it go? It's hiding. And it's housing the keys inside. But yeah, I'm gonna put the description down below, as well as price and my email, so you can send me email and I could send you more photos. And the next item I'm selling is this Dior saddlebag in the what is this called? This Trotter, it's not Trotter, but it's the oblique, in the oblique print. And this is the one with the leather strap, gold hardware. I'm not selling the chain with it. I know a lot of people message me about just buying the chain, but no. So this is in the medium size, gold detailing, back pocket, and interior right there. This comes full set, and if you guys watched my unboxing, you see that it comes with the box, dust bag, cover, the tags, and I think the ribbon, tissue. I can't remember if the receipt came with it. I have to double check. But yeah, I will have all the information in the description down below, and my email if you guys are interested. I do love this, and I did get a quote on Fashion File already, so I would like to sell it for more than what Fashion File is quoting me, because they're definitely lowballing me on these items. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye.